Did you know that the key to unlocking your dream home could already be in your family's wallet? That's right. If you've been wondering whether you can use gift money for your down payment, stick around. I'm breaking down everything you need to know to make it work for you. Spoiler alert also, it's easier than you might think, and it can save you thousands on your journey to home ownership. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Sabriyah Callis, your partner in finding and funding your new home. Today, we're answering a question I hear all the time from first-time home buyers. Can I use gift money for my down payment? Now, that's a great question, and the short answer is yes. You can use gift money for your down payment, but there are some important details and guidelines that you need to follow to make sure everything goes smoothly with the mortgage approval. So let's break it all down. First, let's quickly recap what a down payment is, right? So a down payment is the initial upfront portion of the total purchase price of a home that you pay out of pocket. So it's typically expressed as a percentage. So for example, if you're buying a $300,000 home with a 20% down payment, you need to put down $60,000. Now, while 20% is a common benchmark, there are loan programs that allow for lower down payments, sometimes as low as 3% or 0%. But regardless of the percentage, many buyers do explore using gift money to kind of help with those down payment needs. And you might be asking, what is gift money? So what it actually is in the context of home buying, gift money is going to be the financial assistance that's given to you by a family member or close relative to help cover your down payment or closing costs. Now, this is a gift and it's typically not a loan, meaning you're not expected to repay it. If you're using gift money, it can be a fantastic way to help boost down your down payment, especially if you're struggling to save enough on your own. But there are some specific rules and documentation requirements that you'll need to meet. So let's talk about what the eligibility and the guidelines for using gift money. Here are the key points that you need to know when it comes to gift funds. First of all, it's the source of the gift. The gift must come from a family member or someone who has a documented relationship with you, like a parent, grandparent, sibling, or even a close friend, depending on the lender's policies. Second thing is the gift letter. You'll need to provide a gift letter that states the amount of the gift, the relationship between you and the giver, and a clear statement that the money is a gift and not a loan. This letter is crucial for your lender to verify that the funds are indeed a gift. Next, there's the proof of transfer. You'll need to show proof that the money was transferred from your gift giver's account to yours. And this usually involves bank statements or transfer receipts. Next, there's the no repayment required. Since the gift is not a loan, you won't have to repay it. The gift letter should clearly state this to avoid any confusion during the mortgage approval process. And then there's also going to be some limits and conditions. Some loan programs may have limits on the amount of gift money that you can use. And so it's essential to check with your lender to see and to understand any of those specific conditions or restrictions. So let's talk about how to document that gift money. Proper documentation is key when using gift money. Here's how to ensure that everything is in order. As I mentioned earlier, the letter is critical. It should include the donor's name, address, phone number, then the recipient's name, the relationship between the donor and the recipient, the amount of the gift, and then also you want the statement in there to show that it's not a loan. It doesn't need to be repaid. Then we're going to have the bank statements. You want to provide statements showing that the donor's withdrawal of the funds and then the deposit into your account with your bank statements. This is going to help verify that the funds, the source of the funds. Some lenders might require some additional paperwork, so it's always a good idea to check with your lender for any specific requirements. Remember, transparency is essential. Lenders need to ensure that the gift money is legitimate and not part of any hidden loan agreements. Now, let's talk about how lenders view gift money. Lenders are going to primarily be concerned with your ability to repay the mortgage. So they want to ensure that the down payment funds are legitimate, they're not borrowed. And here's what lenders are typically going to look for. Number one, the source of the funds. They want to confirm that the down payment is not coming from borrowed money, which would increase your debt burden. Then they want to look for the stability of the funds, finances. Using gift money can strengthen your financial profile by increasing your down payment and potentially reducing your loan to value ratio, which can lead to better loan terms. Then there's the compliance with loan programs. Different loan programs have varying rules about gift money. For instance, FHA, VA, and conventional loans each have their own set of guidelines. And like any financial strategy, using gift money for your down payment has its pros and its cons. Let's take a look at some of the pros as well as some of the cons. There's pros and cons to everything. Some of the pros is larger down payment. A bigger down payment can lower your monthly mortgage payments and reduce the amount of interest that you pay over the life of the loan. You also can avoid private mortgage insurance. If you put down at least 20%, you can often avoid the PMI, which is an additional cost to adding to your monthly payments. Then there's that stronger loan application. A substantial down payment can make your loan application more attractive to lenders, potentially leading to better loan terms. But then there's also cons, the potential family strain. Family and financial transaction between families could sometimes lead to misunderstandings or strain on relationships if they're not handled carefully. Then we also, the documentation requirements. Gathering all the necessary documentation can be time consuming. It may require coordination between you and the gift giver. And then again, there's those loan program limitations. Not all loan programs may accommodate gift money, or they might have strict guidelines that limit your options. Let me give you a few tips on how to use the gift money effectively. To make the most of gift money for your down payment, here are just a few tips. You want to plan ahead. Start the process early to ensure that you have ample enough time to gather all the necessary documentation. You want to communicate clearly, maintaining that open communication with your gift giver to ensure that everybody understands the terms and the expectations. You want to consult with the professionals. You want to work closely with your realtor, your loan officer to navigate those specific requirements of your loan program. Also, understanding the tax implications. In some cases, large gifts may have tax implications for the giver. It's wise for the gift giver to consult with their tax professional, explore all funding options. While gift money can be a great source, also consider other funding sources like personal savings, retirement accounts, or down payment assistance programs. I have a future video coming that we're going to discuss some down payment options that may be available in your state. So be sure to subscribe. Hit that like button while you're here so you can stay tuned when that next video drops for you. Using gift money for your down payment can be a powerful tool in achieving your home ownership dreams. By understanding the guidelines, properly documenting the gift, and working closely with your lender, you can make this process smooth and successful. I hope this video has shed some light on how you can use the gift money for your down payment. And if you have any more questions or you need some personalized advice, feel free to reach out to me. My direct link will be down below for a free consultation along with my contact information. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to it, share it with someone that might be on the home buying journey, and also hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and advice. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting. Bye now.